Now, what's really cool is the ability to add this to your blog posts or pages in the top of the post or page or the footer of the post or the page, and also add a cool background effect. I'll show you what I mean. If I go to my blog, you'll see at some of these really nice blogs out there that there is a subscribe button on the very top, like a featured section, or a subscribe section at the very end of your article where people can subscribe to your newsletter at the very end. I don't have any of those right now, but I'll show you how easy, how really powerful effect this is going to be. And I can select a certain page or post, or I can have it go to all of my pages or all of my posts in either the header section of the post or the footer. Watch this. I am going to come over here and I'm going to go to the left hand side of my dashboard where it says Easy Opt-in Builder. I'm going to click on Post or Top Bar Options. You see that? And it's going to bring up this page, and what it does, it's going to list every post and every page. So let me show you what these options are on this page. Obviously, it says the first section is select opt-in and posts to show the opt-in at the very start. So in this section here, it's going to take all of your posts and it's going to put it at the top section. All right. Now I can go and I can select specific ones, or I can come and I can select all. See? Or unselect all. So I'm going to select all, and then you need to select which one you're going to, which opt-in form you're going to use. Now obviously I've created one, and it's called the horizontal default. So this is going to show up at the very start of all of my posts. If I scroll down, this is going to, if I have this selected, it's going to show up the opt-in and post to be at the very end of the posts. So instead of at the start, it's going to be at the end. As well, I can come back, and same thing for the pages. It's going to list every one of your pages, and I can select all or none or a specific page and which one I want to have. You see that? And also at the end of your pages. So watch this. I'm going to have it show at the very start of all of my pages, or excuse me, of all of my posts, because it's right here, your posts at the start, and I've selected this horizontal. Now I'm going to save this, come down to the bottom. I'm going to save these changes. Now watch how cool this is. I'm going to refresh this. Isn't that very cool? Now watch this. I'm going to make it even cooler, and I'm going to come back to my gray or maybe even light colored yellow. So I'm going to go to background, and you'll see here that the box width is 650, but I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and it's about 705 or 710. This my pages, my content area. About 710, and I'm going to show the background right here, background color, and I'm going to make it, you know, a little bit gray. All right, and I'm going to click on Save Changes. Isn't that cool? And I can simply add this at the very end. I can put this to be white, this "We Hate Spam," and I'll make that to be white. "We hate spam." Message to be white. I will save changes. What else do I want to do here? I can even add a nice border around this. Maybe I'll even do that just to show you all the different things you can do. Nice border, and the border is going to be solid, and the border width is going to be 2, and maybe I'll make the border width black. See that? And I will simply just come and I will save the changes. See, isn't that cool? Now I'm going to change the background to a different color. I really don't like that color. So I'm going to go back to here and go down to background, and I'm going to change it to this color here. Kind of a yellowish, like that. And I'm going to, and I'll refresh. There, that's pretty cool. And I'm going to make that black once again. Probably should do that. Change that to different color. There. That's cool. There we go. And also you can put this to the footer, and to go to the footer, let me go back. I will unselect all of those, and I will put it to the footer. Make sure they're horizontal, and it says at post end, select all, and just let me save. And now this is going to be moved down to the very end of every one of my articles. And it's now moved back down to the very end. I scroll down. There it is. You see, and I can add a image here. I can have an image of a, of a free ebook. I can put, I can even put a video there if I wanted. You can put any HTML in this section right here. And again, I can probably stretch that opt-in form out to be a little bit more. The input box, maybe put to be extra large right there. And let me just refresh this now. Perfect. All right. So that's pretty cool. And again, I can really change the title of this to make it even more compelling. And this goes right into your autoresponder, works with GetResponse, Aweber, eye contact, what have you. Any type of form code, it'll work. So this is great for auto bloggers. This is great for blogging and adding a featured area on your posts or your pages in the footer or in the header section of your content pages with this horizontal. Thank you.